So what is TrustWallet? Well, the first thing you need to know is that TrustWallet is the official wallet of Binance, meaning that Binance, the largest exchange in the world, owns it. All right. Secondly, it's a place where users can buy, swap, and stake crypto while also being able to place your NFT collection into it, which is kind of neat. Now, over 5 million people around the world currently use TrustWallet. It has quite a lot of reviews in the App Store as well, so it's widely used. Now, getting started is as easy as download the TrustWallet from the App Store. It should be available in just about all of them. Create a new wallet, then using your debit or credit card, buy crypto. Or you can also transfer crypto in from another exchange. Now, just some of the assets supported are on this list that you see here. Obviously, there's quite a few on the list. Now, what I really like about TrustWallet, though, is it's sort of like a backdoor into the full Binance. Now, you're not really getting the full Binance, but you are getting a lot more coins than the limited view of Binance that we get here in the USA. This may also hold true for those of you out there in Australia who are watching this as well. You may be getting a limited view there also. So by all means, check out TrustWallet, okay? So here's how it works. So if I insert my homemade list here, you can see that these are some of the coins that, for example, just stand out to me as being hard to find. Now, the way I made this list is on the far left. You can see the ERC20 or Ethereum tokens, the BEP2 tokens or Binance Chain in the middle, and the BEP20 tokens or Binance Smart Chain on the right. So some of them that stand out here, we have Holochain with the hot coin. We got Reserve Rights, RSR. We have Shiba Inu, right? This is the coin that's been given Doge a run for its money. You can pick that one up too. We've got SparkPoint, SRK. Tony at Journey Crypto likes to talk about this one all the time. You can pick it up here. We have Beefy.Finance, which BiFi. You can get that through Binance, right? We've got Phantom that you can pick up. Thorchain, I just reviewed that one recently. Now on the Binance Smart Chain, we've got PancakeSwap, we've got Reef, which I reviewed, Swipe, which I reviewed, Venus, which I reviewed, TrustWallet, which I'm reviewing today, and we even have WRX. Now, all you would have to do is under the tab on the bottom left app where it says Wallet, either buy the coin you're looking for there if it's available, or if it's not in that list, what you would need to do is you need to either buy Ethereum or you buy BNB, depending on which blockchain the coin you want is built on. And it'll say that under the coin, whether it's an ERC20 or a BEP2 or a BEP20, all right? So for example, if you want Holochain, you would buy Ethereum. If you want Beefy.Finance, you need to pick up BNB. Now, once you've purchased the coin, your next step would be to select the tab in the bottom middle where it says DEX. This is for Decentralized Exchange. Now, in the DEX, you'd select the coin that you're swapping, typically Ethereum or BNB, then select the coin you'd like to swap it to. It's that simple. Now, the only wrinkle here is that if you're picking up a coin on the Binance Smart Chain, you would need to have BNB, you would swap it to BSC, Binance Smart Chain, and then you would need to go in and swap that BSC to the coin that you're picking up, okay? Now, bear in mind, there will be a transaction fee or gas fee whenever you swap an exchange.